Welcome everybody, today we're going to learn about loops. Why do we use loops for in Python? We use them when we want to iterate over something. For example, for number in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each element is going to pass down as number so we can manipulate it. For example, I want to print them. Print number. Now it has to print its number. But not only numbers, we can iterate over whatever we want. For example, for working day, let me copy this, we're going to print each day, print working day. And I'm going to comment this. And it should print its number, its day. But we don't need to write its number here. We can use range for that. Let me explain it. First I'm going to comment this and this. For number in range, print number. Range meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or maybe not. As you can see, 5 is the limit, and it's not printing the number. If we want to print 5, we need to put 6, and it's going to stop at 6, but it's going to print 5. As you can see, I'm going to comment this again. As you can see, it's printing starting from 0, but we can specify the start and the stop of the range. For number in range, the start is 5 and it's going to stop at 15 without printing 15. Print number. And as you can see, it's printing 5, 6 to 15 without printing 15. I'm going to comment this again. As I told you, we can specify the start and the stop, but we can also specify the step, and it's going to jump over the step. This, when I explain it, it seems strange, but it's easier to understand. Let me show you an example. For number in range 0, 50, and each step it's 5. Print number, and what is going to happen here? It's going to print 0, but then it's going to print 5, 10, 15, 20, and etc. As you can see, it's jumping from 0 to 5, to 10, to 15, to 20, and so on. We have used it to print a number, but we can do many things with this. For example, we can create a new list. List, double. This symbol means this is a list, and we are going to iterate over range 20. And its number, I'm going to append it to the list. List, double, append, but not the number. I'm going to multiply it by 2. And I'm going to print the result here. List, and I'm going to comment this. I'm going to print it, and as you see, the list has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 2 times. But we can do this in just one line with list comprehension. Let me show it. List comprehension equals for x in range 10, and it's going to return x multiplied by 2. Is this the same as this? Let's try it. Print list comprehension. As you can see, we have the same in just one line. We can use this or this one, but I recommend to use this one. But it's okay if when you are starting, you use this. Also, we can use while. It's way different than for, but we use for the same. I'm going to comment the print. And we use while to do the same job for do's, but with a different syntax. Let me show it. 0, and repeat this while x is lesser than 5. And we want to print x. And we are going to add 1 to x, so when this reaches 5, it's going to break this loop. Equals. What is going to happen? 1, 2, 3, 4. The same as this one. But take care and always add 1 to x. On the contrary, this is what is going to happen. X equals 0, while x lesser than 5, print x. And then the last loop. We are not adding 1 to the x, so this is going to keep printing this number. So remember to add 1 to x. And of course, if you want to reach 5, you have to while x lesser or equal to 5. I'm going to comment this one, and this one. Print 5, and we can do this. This is the same as this. Let me check it. Now it's reaching 5. This exercise is an easy one. You have to ask the user for a number, and you have to create a multiplication table with that number, like this one. So you have to ask the user for a number, you have to use for and range to print the table. Stop this video and try it on your own. If you can't, play the video and I'm going to solve it for you. This is my solution. First, we need to ask the user for a number. Input, please give me a number. And we have to transform that into a number with int. And of course, we need to store that into a variable. Base number. Now we have to iterate 11 times with for. For index in range 11, and now we are going to display the result like this. First the base number, multiply the index, and this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we are going to display the result of that multiplication. Base number multiplied index. Let's see, 5, and we have the table of 5. I hope you have reached the solution on your own. If not, it's okay, but in any case you have to try this loop, as this is one of the building blocks of Python. I will see you on my next video.